So, who's got a 20-something year old car and their door trims look like this? Alright, well there's a very quick and easy way to fix them and I'm about to show you. Alright, so this is what you need. Run-of-the-mill hair clippers. If you don't have any, I suggest you borrow some because when you take your door trims to the local hairdressers, they just look at you silly. So it's a very simple job to do, and I'm going to show you how. All done, sir. Maybe something for the weekend. And there you are, done. The finished product, almost like brand new. And you could even give yourself a haircut in the process while you're at it.